Welcome back, everybody. We are working on the last section in 9.1. These will match up with the 9.1 F documents, talking about finding a missing angle measure in a right triangle. And the other problems that we did for this, notes D, we had an angle measure and a side that we knew and a side that we didn't. So now for these problems, we're not going to know the angle measure, and we're going to have two side lengths that we know. Need to find the angle measure in degrees. So before we start, I need you to again go into your calculators and make sure that your mode is in degrees. And the second thing that I need you to find is your second button. And then if you look above sine, cosine, and tangent buttons, it'll say sine to the negative first, cosine to the negative first, and tangent to the negative first. Those are the ones that we want to be able to access in order to find the angle measure. We'll start with second and then sine. And on your screen, you should get sine to the negative first with a parenthesis. For this problem, we'll do 6 over 8 and equals, and if we've done that the right way, then you should get 48, and we're going to the tenths place again, so 48.6 degrees. Let's try a few of those sample problems. Our missing angle is over here at angle A. 13 is opposite our right angle, so 13 is the hypotenuse. 12 is touching our angle, so that's our side adjacent. AH is cosine. So we're trying to figure out what angle has a cosine of 12/13. So go into your calculators, second cos, so that this pops up on your screen. 12 divided by 13. To the tenths place, because that's the directions that are given up here, that angle measure is about 22.6 degrees. Example B, our angle is again at angle A. This is our hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. 4 is our side opposite, it's not touching the theta. 13 is the side adjacent because it is touching theta. So we have OA, TOA, tangent. So this time we're going to use tangent, opposite over adjacent. Type that into your calculator, second tan, 4 divided by 13. And our angle measure is about 17.1 degrees. Make sure you have the degrees there so we know we're talking about an angle measure. Letter C, our theta up here. This 18 is the side opposite the right angle, so that's our hypotenuse. and the 15 is opposite our angle measure that we're looking for. So we have OH. So sine, so we're using sine to the negative first, or inverse sine, opposite over hypotenuse. Now we know that this fraction can be reduced, but it really doesn't matter when we're typing this stuff into the calculator. It all works out the same regardless. And so this angle measure is going to be about 56.4 degrees. Our last example for today, here's our missing angle measure. 9 is our hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. 7 is our side adjacent because it's touching theta. We have AH, cosine. So we're going to do inverse cosine, adjacent, hypotenuse. And our angle measure is about 38.9 degrees. Clean up this 8 a little bit. There we go. And that's it for today. Hope everyone is well. We'll see you soon.